Hi friends, welcome again. I am going to solve a new Python problem on a HackerRank today. The problem type is arithmetic operators in Python. Let's start. Arithmetic operators solve challenge. The task is the provided code stub reads two integers from std in a and b. We have two variables a and b. Add code to print three lines where the first line contains the sum of two numbers, the second line difference of two numbers, and the third line is contain the product of two numbers. Example is here and the output is here. So print b, second line is a difference b, and the third line is a product multiplied by b. Run code. The code successfully runs. Now submit our code. All test cases is passed. So if you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.